Imagine you are a lecturer reviewing dozens of assignments. One submission is perfectly written, but the document alone cannot tell you whether the student truly understands the work. Now, imagine you're a student, you may have used AI to probably improve the grammar or organize your ideas, but you still did the thinking and understand what is submitted. And then the lecturers uses AI detectors to review your work. But there is an issue there because AI detectors can reduce both situations to a suspicious score that can unfairly question honest students while still failing to review shallow understanding. But Origin takes a different approach. Don't guess who wrote it, verify who understands it. From students submitting their works, Origin mapping the core reasoning, students explaining their choices, and actual reviewing the evidence. I'm going to sign in as one of the students. So this is the dashboard. I'm going to be submitting one of the assignments for review, which is the offline first core attendance. I already prepared a sample submission here that I'm going to be using for this. So I'll just select that offline first. Open. Did you use AI? Yes, I did. Then submit for verification. This is Gemma analyzing the submission and generating some set of review questions. This is going to take a while to process, so I'm just going to cut it now and continue. Alright, so Gemma just finished analyzing the submissions. I'm going to start the voice defense. This is also going to take some time. So the questions are ready for defense, but I'm not going to be using this. There is another which I already prepared answers for. Both both documents are in the repo and the structures are also in the README. Alright, so I'm going to start defense. Full interpretation repeats the OV plus ENOV shortest start search after each change. While incremental algorithms updating the affected routes, but recomputation is accepted here because the operational graph is small, simpler to explain, and easier to verify. Um, so Whisper is processing this recording to text, which is meant to be passed on to Gemma for further processing. I'm going to be speeding up this process because there are five other questions for me to attempt. So I'm going to speed up. I'm going to speed it up. All right. So I just finished answering the whole questions, and this is Gemma generating the evidence reports. I'm also going to speed this up because it's also going to take quite some time. Gemma already generated the reports, and Alice's report is ready. All right. As you can see, Origin does not return a simple AI or not AI verdict. It creates a reviewable report showing what Alice explained accurately, where reasoning remained consistent with the assignment, but may still need clarification. So the score is just only a summary, and the evidence is what really matters. I'm going to be logging into the lecturer's dashboard now and open Alice's report. The lecturer sees the same evidence, can inspect Alice's transcripts or listen to the response, and can also request clarification. If the evidence is incomplete, the lecturer can decide to request clarification and record decision. So, in general, Origin changes academic integrity from detection to demonstration. Students can receive a fair um, opportunity to prove their understanding, and lecturers receive evidence they can actually review. So, in the age of AI, we should not only ask who wrote the words, we should ask whether the students can explain and defend them. And this is a problem I and my classmates have been facing this semester just to prove our actual understanding of the core concepts in the assignments being given to us. So, I decided to build Origin.